Whatever. Shoot that again. You got something to say to me? You got something to say to me? Say it now. Say it now. You got something to say to me? Say it now. Say it right now. So I can knock you through that wall. Say it now. Say it now. Be a man, say it now. Do it now. Do it right now. Do it right now. You do it right now. I'll hurt you, punk. Do it now.
Go sit
do
down.
It now. Do it now. You want to run your mouth. You want to run your mouth. You pick the wrong nigga. You want to run your mouth? Run your mouth now. Run your mouth. You'll get hurt, punk. You'll get hurt. Punk, get off me. Do it now. Oh, now you can't speak. Do it now. Do it now. Do it now. You know what the hell you playing with? What? You know what you're playing? I'm going to knock you through that damn wall, boy.